this was a Subaru interior cleaning with dog hair removal, and then from there I had to actually remove mold that was actually starting to grow in between the seats. If you have a car such as like a Subaru, any type of car that has very narrow seats between your center console, it is always good to either, if you can remove the seats yourself, great. I would do it every summer, figure out what's moldy and what's not, because that could turn a interior detail from 100 to 200 up to 500 plus, because as I told the customer with this, thank goodness there was only about 3 or 4 spots of mold that was very easy to clean. It was all together. But if this was an actual full-blown mold, this detail would have probably been $600 what I charged for mold removal, because of the spores, cleaning every surface, steaming the vent and all that stuff. So they were very happy, very fortunate about the circumstances, and this is